Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos Pinoy style, only way. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees F and arrange a single layer of sturdy chips. Sprinkle a base of shredded cheese, scatter cooked pork or longanisa, and add pickled onions for brightness. Bake briefly until cheese melts and toppings warm through, then finish with cilantro, sliced jalapenos, and a squeeze of calamansi or lime for a balanced, flavorful bite. Spread out a clean workspace and prepare 3 fast sauces: banana ketchup blend, garlic mayo, and a spicy vinegar salsa. Combine grated cheddar and mozzarella to get that creamy, stretchy melt. Crisp up some garlic in oil for an optional crunch topping. Assemble in layers so every chip gets toppings, then bake briefly. Finish with fresh tomatoes, chopped cilantro, and sliced jalapenos for a lively, balanced plate that invites sharing. When your nachos are hot and bubbly, move them to a large platter or keep on the baking sheet for casual sharing. Encourage diners to use tongs or a spatula to lift loaded chips and avoid crowding one spot. Keep extra toppings on the side so guests can customize heat and acidity. Serve with cold drinks, hand out napkins, and enjoy the communal vibe that makes Pinoy nachos a fun, social snack.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.